Hi everybody and welcome to Frank's 3D Shop. Okay, in this video I show you a couple of tricks replacing filament on the Monoprice Select Mini or other printers with a Bowden tube setup, and I think it could help some of you. I will show you how I do it. First, let's turn on the printer and then bring it to temperature for PLA. In my case, 200 is fine. Wait for it to get to temperature. Then move the head to the right. It's easier if the head is to the right, and move it slowly so you don't burn your drivers. And push out some filament to prime the nozzle. Then pull out. This will prevent the filament to be caught in the tube if you first extrude some filament. Now place the new filament spool. And the trick here is to cut the filament at 45 degrees, but I prefer to do both sides so it's less likely to cut on the fitting at the end of the Bowden tube. Then you insert your new filament and push it. When you pass the Bowden tube fitting, it's gonna have a resistance, so keep pushing. It's gonna go past that and then extrude some filament, and that's it. And that's it for me, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I welcome your comments. Please subscribe to my channel. Push the little bell to be notified when I publish a new video, and see you in the next video. Ciao, bye!